Hi everyone. it's another day for us to discuss something. It's kind of different view. It's kind of different ambience, but I'm just on the same place. By the way, for today's discussion, I will share the story about Nextpeed. So I formulated Nextpeed, I think about a year ago. I'm still trying to figure out what to do. I really wanted to share or doing this podcast. Kasi, di ba, usually you have to categorize the things you want to share. I remember gusto ko tong gawin before na para lang sa mga random thoughts ko na isi-share ko kasi nga random na tao ako, as in sobrang random. Then I want to hear other people's stories. That's why I encourage sa intro that time na mag-send ng stories or letters sa akin so I can read it and I can share my thoughts, opinions, um, or kung ano yung masasuggest ko about it. Naalala ko yung intro na yun na kapag pinapakinggan ko siya, nagki-cringe ako. Kasi yung boses ko, this kind of voice that I have, it's either matarling siya or deep siya. Which is usually, eto yung usual na naririnig ninyo sa akin most of the time, yung medyo deep yung voice. Kaya yung mga banat ko minsan is hindi mabigyan ng justice kasi ganito yung voice ko. So, then I came to the idea na kasi nga I want this to be fast-paced. Kaya I tried to invent if I want it with the word quick or speed. Now, here's the challenge. If I want my name to be in the title of the show, kapag quick yung ginamit ko na word, magiging Nix Quick. That sounds like Nesquik, right? Yung choco drink. And now, how did I come up sa Nextpeed? So, since I'm a random person and minsan, ang attention span ko, no, not minsan, but most of the time, ang attention span ko is napakaiksi. I need things to be discussed in a fast-paced discussion kasi for sure, kung saan-saan mapupunta yung topic pag medyo humaba na siya. Then I need to move to the next question or idea to help me catch up sa pag-move forward ko sa discussion or sa topic. Hindi rin ako well-versed makipag-usap, which is sometimes I talk around the bushes and that will make everything longer kasi it's not straight to the point. I'm trying to fix things or I'm trying to fix that, but sometimes because I'm having hard time to kasi nga 'di ba most of the time I'm having hard time to tell the story straightforward. Napapaikot-ikot ko siya because of different reasons. So possible dyan, first, I am prolonging something to avoid misinterpretation. Um, I try to think words that will help na maging mas soft yung delivery ng message. Because I'm afraid to hurt other people's feeling, especially before. Um, I will share you something about some of my experiences. Though na-share ko na to sa mga ibang ng mga nakakakwentuhan ko and possible na makikinig nitong podcast na to. But I used to be straightforward. So first big job ko. Did I say big job? Yeah, big job. Parang I am telling them what I wanted to tell. I command as I know how to command. But one employee there told me, Bisor naman siya, so carry lang. Sabi niya sa akin, parang sabi niya, hindi dapat ganyan magbigay ng instructions. Ayusin mo yung pakikipag-usap mo. Hindi mo kami lahat tao dito. Sinabi niya yun, hindi direct eh. Hindi direct. Parang tumawag siya sa extension ko sa telephone and then dineliver niya yun. Tapos sabay, hinang-upan niya ako. Binabaan niya akong telepono. Then from there, na-realize ko na, or parang napaisip-isip ako na, what, ano ba yung mga mali, kung paano ko siya sinabi, mga ganun. So, from there, medyo nag-step back ako, then inisip ko, is that really how bad I am delivering thoughts or commands or details? Ganun. Kasi aminado ako, maangas talaga ako makipag-usap eh. And tunog mayabang most of the time. Kaya misinterpreted ako ng maraming tao. Is either napapagkamalan ako masungit, plada, maangas, mayabang. Yeah. Kaya usually sa mga meetings, I don't talk unless they ask me. Siguro that time dun ako nag-stop maging sobrang expressive sa mga sobrang expressive sa mga thoughts ko. Hindi ko siya agad-agad sinasabi, ganon. Kasi baka maka-offend na naman ako. Or mayabang na naman yung ibang mga tao na makikinig sa akin. Inuntok ako sa sarili ko podcast. Hype na yan. But yeah, ganun siya. So, I usually step back, nakikiramdam muna ako kung kailangan ko pa bang butt in, kailangan ko pa bang sabihin yung thoughts ko. Baka mamaya ma-misinterpret na naman ako. Or possible na baka isipin, or sometimes I think na baka mali lang yung sasabihin ko. Hindi naman relevant or hindi naman nila hinihingi yung ganung opinion ko or baka mali nga ako. Ganon. So, second, minsan hirap ako mag-construct ng thoughts ko. Minsan hindi linear yung mga bagay-bagay for me. Kaya I have script or outline. Kasi nawawala ako sa topic madalas. Just like what I'm doing right now. You can see here, I have my laptop here kasi meron akong outline at meron akong sinusunod na script. So, most of the time kung saan-saan dimension pumupunta yung mga topic ko hanggang nagsasanga na siya, which is hindi na related minsan dun sa yung initial na topic. I think factor yung naging experience ko na na-call out ako about how I talk to people. So, hindi na na-practice yung pagiging straightforward ko and kung saan-saan and kung saan-saan pa napupunta yung usapan bago ko ma-punch ng tama yung mga gusto kong i-discuss or gusto kong i-share. So, ngayon kasi medyo na ako detailed in the shortest way possible. Yung mga gusto kong sabihin at saka yung mga naisip ko. So, natututo na ako mag-jot down, then ina-itemize ko na lang siya, lalagyan ko ng checkbox, para pag done na, i-check ko na siya, and then move on. So, probably, it's the reason why I came up to NextSpeed. Next, NEX represents next, plus literal na next, so we can move forward. And then, speed is fast-paced conversation. Ang tagal ko na rin itong na-pause ang dami kasing factor ba't napopost ko yung mga bagay-bagay. Andyan yung mga struggles natin to shoots, like place, space, when, where, tapos yung pag-i-edit na nakakatamad, and that's the reason why I look for someone that could help me on doing edits. And kaya naghahanap din ako ng personal assistant ko, so that assistant could help me out to figure out things, look for something, do the research and everything. So, Aside from that, yung pagko-conceptualize and yung panghihina na rin ng loob, saan ba 'to pupunta? Like, may makikinig ba? May magse-send ba ng letters and suggestions nila? So, doon naputol yung mga bagay-bagay na nung na-conceptualize ko na noon, pero hindi siya nagma-materialize kasi hindi ko tinuloy-tuloy. But again, as the consistency episode we had, it's not about being perfect. It's about trying and trying again and again. Kaya nandito na naman ako. 'Di ba? I've been into vlogging since 2017, and then naputol siya, and then I started to come back, but then again nawala siya, nag-pandemic, and that pandemic hits us, and isa sa mga factor kung bakit natigil ako that time is because I don't really have a good space to shoot. Pangit yung lighting ng kwarto, pangit yung, alam mo yun, pangit yung background, magulo, and pangit lahat. Hindi presentable. So, hindi siya, alam mo yun, hindi siya nice place to shoot. Hindi ako makapag-review ng kahit ano kasi my space actually is one of the biggest factor, I guess. But again, here I am again, trying to shoot one more time. And hopefully this time maging consistent na ako because I probably have the mean to do it now. And I am really trying to push yung mga bagay na to kasi I think this is what I am really wanting to do. To share things, to explore, to review, to react. Because I want to be heard. Everyone wanted to be heard. So, ano na ba si Nextpeed ngayon? So, Nextpeed is a sub-portion of R2S, which is review, react, and share, which is going to be my branding. I will review, react, and share anything I encounter or kung ano lang yung gusto ko i-share sa inyo randomly again because you know, I'm a random person. So I'm gonna share that to other social media accounts that I have. I hope you can guys follow me. And there you go. You just have to make a pause there. I'll just give you like 5 seconds. Click the subscribe button, the follow button wherever you're watching this, or follow button. It doesn't take that 5 seconds. Just do it now. So going back, see, R2S is about to be launched. And then Next Speed is a podcast show. So this is going to be like, sabi ko nga kanina, it's going to be a sub-portion. So the R2S will be the main branding and the Next Speed will be a little show for you guys to watch and to listen. So this is where I'm also planning to invite people so we can dive into such topics that can help us either grow or learn something, diba? Until now, I don't know how to categorize Nextpeed, to be honest. But it's more on life story siguro tayo since mahilig naman tayong mag-share ng mga bagay-bagay plus we all know that we really wanted to be heard. Everyone does. Aminin nyo yan. Most of the time, you want to yap to release it kasi that makes you feel better. Diba? So, just share it. Just, try to share your thoughts. Ganon. So, that's probably the purpose of the podcast. And that's the goal. To hear you, to release those, alam mo yan, para ma-release ninyo yung gusto ninyong i-release dyan. Share it with me. I can read it through letters. You can just schedule a podcast session with me so we can discuss that. Yeah, so that's probably how it will plan to. Ganun siya iikot. And also, we can do that unfiltered. we can do that unfiltered. If you want to share something that needs to be filtered, yeah, you can share it here unfiltered. I'm willing to listen. I'm willing to give my thoughts. And alam niyo, malaking factor din kasi na chismosa tayo. Kasi yung pagiging chismosa natin, maraming natutulong yan. Alam niyo yun, yung gusto nating marinig na kung ano yung nangyayari sa buhay ng isang tao. We want to share, we want to share our opinion, we want to give them advice and whatsoever. Or siguro yun, ang pagiging chismosa natin, no? So, kung may mga topics, stories, or kahit anong gusto ninyong i-share, pwede naman kayo mag-send sa akin ng letters or magsabi ka kung gusto mo mag-share ng story mo, gusto mo mabigyan ng advice or judgment. Okay, send me a letter or reach out to my social media accounts. Let's get connected. May aral man yan o wala yung story mo, tara, pag-usapan natin. Just share it. Para kung makakapagpagaan yan ng loob mo, mafe-feel mo na relief ka kapag na-share mo yan to other people. If you wanna share it in camera, if you wanna share it through voice, or if you just wanna send a letter so I can read it, use your alias if you want. Diba? Parang magmumukha tayo, yung mga secret stories, gano'n. Pwede yun. I want to entertain that. Kasi, gusto ko ring magbigay ng mga opinion ko, or mga suggestion, or thoughts ko dun sa mga ganong klaseng topic na maririnig ko galing sa ibang tao. Parang hindi lang naman puro storya ng buhay ko yung naririnig ninyo, diba? So, don't forget to follow and like and subscribe to all of our social media, to my social media accounts. And thank you so much for watching again this video, and see you on the next episode of Next Feed, Fast Thoughts, Deep Talks. Bye! I love you guys. Mwah.